And if everything looks fine, then we just run the analysis, and we see that things were defined properly, so the run is successful. So the first thing that we need to check is if the rules are working fine, like if the pumps are switching on and off based on our given conditions. What we can do is we can check one of these pipes. Let us start with pipe 7. Since pump 7 was open initially, so water should have flown through pipe 7, and when the grade at or the head at junction 13 got lower than 240, it must have been switched off. We go to report. Let us graph the flow rate. We want a time series graph, and the parameter is flow rate. The link or the pipe that we want to graph is P7, and this is how it looks. You see that we have the flow rate initially starting at a certain value, then increasing because the demand is increasing, and probably at 8 AM the head at J13 must have dropped below 240. So this pipe closed because the pump closed, and at close to 1 PM or maybe 2 PM the head again jumped over 240, so the pump again became active. We can also verify this by checking the numbers for J13. We can either have these numbers in a table or a graph. Let us try a table now. We want a time series of this node, and you can also select which columns do you want. We can also have the elevation here, we can have the demand, and we can remove the quality. And you see that for J13 we are interested in this column here. Initially the head is 289 and keeps on dropping, and at around 7 AM it is the first instance where it drops below 240, and here pump P25 switches on. And you can also have a complete report by clicking on report and going to full. It is a text file but with a different extension .rpd. Let me call it EPS report, and I can open it with Notepad++ or similar software for other devices. And you can also view the results using tables. Let us say we want to have the results for all the nodes at a fixed time and whatever parameters that are of interest to you, and you can have the results for this time. So this is at 12 AM, all the junctions. And we can also have some animated view. So let us say we are interested in finding out the velocity in different pipes at different times, and click on the velocity, and then we can click on play. You see that in different pipes the velocities fluctuate between these different values. So this is one other way to view the results, and that is it. Thank you.